Hello everyone, welcome to FMT ManagerX. Have you ever wondered how companies like Netflix knows what you want to watch? How Swiggy predicts your next order even before you feel hungry? Well, it's not magic, it's data making decisions. Welcome to the world of data analytics, a career that is booming right now. And you could be the one to turn raw numbers into powerful insights. Want to learn high paying skill with zero coding background? Or just curious how data actually drives business? Okay, let me simplify it for you. Data analysts collects, clean and analyze data to help companies make better decisions from marketing to product to customer experience. And the best part, you don't need to be a coder to start. In this course, you will understand how data works in real world, learn to organize and interpret data sets, draw insights and trends that can impact business strategies. And yes, you will get hands-on practice with tools like Excel, SQL, Python, Power BI and Tableau. By the end, you'll be building interactive dashboards, visual trends, and confidently presenting data stories that matters. Whether you are a fresh graduate, a working professional, or someone who loves solving problems, this course is your entry point. So, if you're ready to future-proof your career, join us in the live batch and let's start your data analyst journey together.